This is page 290, 27 to 33, and 43 to 47 odd. You guys had 28 to 34 and 44 to 48 even. Okay, so multiply using special product methods. X plus 4 squared. Misconception is always to just square both terms. No, you need to square the binomial. So I need x plus 4 times x plus 4. Distribute the x to both pieces, so you get x squared plus 4x, and then the 4 to both pieces. So you get plus 4x plus 16. Combine your like terms to get x squared, just kidding, plus 8x plus 16. And that's your final answer. Okay, so here you've got 6y minus 1 times 6y plus 1. This is the sum and difference of two terms. So you're going to ask yourself, what is A? A is 6y. What is B? B is 1. And then just remember, your answer is going to be a squared. Sorry guys, my stylus is just not minus b squared. So then you're going to do 6y, parentheses are extremely important, squared minus 1 squared. Let me scoot this up a little. So 6y squared is 6 squared times y squared minus 1 squared. 6 squared is 36. Y squared is just y squared minus 1. So it's just 36y squared minus 1. Okay. 3x minus y squared is 3x minus y times 3x minus y. So when you distribute, you get 9x squared minus 3xy, and then you distribute the negative y, you get negative 3xy plus y squared. Combine your like terms, you get 9x squared minus 6xy plus y squared. And then here you have a sum and difference of two terms again. So again you say A is 5b and B is 6y. So you want a squared minus b squared. So A is 5b squared minus b is 6y squared. So 5b squared is 5 squared times b squared minus 6 squared times y squared. So you get 25b squared minus 36y squared. Now here, you've got sum and difference of two terms in the first two binomials, but you can also just distribute. So you get y squared plus xy, minus xy plus xy minus y squared. Your middle terms cancel, leaving you with x squared minus y squared. And then you're just going to multiply it times this binomial here, which is what's left, x squared minus y squared. So you get x to the fourth minus x squared y squared minus x squared y squared plus y to the fourth. Combine your like terms, you get x to the fourth minus 2 x squared y squared plus y to the fourth. Okay? And then you have x minus 2 to the fourth, which is x minus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. So 4 times. Okay? So first we're going to multiply the first two, x minus 2 times x minus 2. So that's x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. So that gives us x squared minus 4x plus 4. And we're going to multiply that times x minus 2. So we're going to give this x to all three pieces here, which is going to give us x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x, and then we're going to give the negative 2 to all three pieces, which is going to give us negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 8. So far we've taken care of this one, and this one. So let's combine our like terms here. We have an x cubed, negative 4x minus 6x, negative 4x squared minus 6, negative 4x squared minus 2x squared is negative 6x squared. I was trying real hard to show you guys the answer there. And then you've got 4x plus 8x is 12x minus 8. Now we're going to take this polynomial and we're going to multiply it times our last x minus 2. And the last thing we need to do is we're going to distribute this x to all four pieces. So that's going to give us x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus 12x squared minus 8x, and then we'll distribute this negative 2 to all four pieces. So that's going to give us minus 2x cubed plus 12x squared. I'm running out of room here. Minus 24x plus 16. So I started to run out of room there. So let's rewrite this. X to the fourth doesn't have any other exponents with a 4. Negative 6x cubed minus 2x cubed is negative 8x cubed. We'll cross those out. 12x squared plus 12x squared is 24x squared. Cross those out. Negative 8x minus 24x is negative 32x. And then I've got plus 16. So again, it's x to the fourth minus 8x cubed plus 24x squared minus 32x plus 16. Sorry, I was checking my answer there. Okay, and I was correct. Shocker. X minus 5 plus x times x plus 5 times x squared plus 25. So again, you could do sum and difference, but I'm just going to go ahead and distribute x squared plus 5x minus 5x minus 25. Middle terms cancel, leaving you x squared minus 25, which you are then going to multiply times x squared plus 25, which is this one. Now you also have sum and difference here if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and distribute again. Well, what the heck, let's do sum and difference. So a is x squared, b is 25. Okay? So we've got a squared minus b squared. So a squared is going to be x squared minus b squared is going to be 25 squared. So if you take a power to a power, you multiply, so it's x to the fourth minus 25 squared is 625. So it's x to the fourth minus 625. That is your homework. Have a good night. I will see you guys tomorrow.